Printing on the Bambu Lab H2S with a magnetic P-flat sheet, a Dragon Con textile, turned clutch, part 1. This is a 5.5 hour print. Time to add the fabric and magnets. Our magnets are placed all the way around. 50 millimeters a second print speed, normal travel speed. Here we see the clearance of the magnets. This is the second layer, no Z offset is needed. See you in 3 hours and 28 minutes. The print has completed. We will remove the magnets and then peel off the fabric. Side one complete. We'll print up the other one.